Let's talk about a few of the myths surrounding digital or having a digital press. Number one, digital is more complex than flexo direct print. I would argue that digital, by definition, is easier and more consistent than direct print flexo. With digital, it's ripping a file, sending it to the press, and hitting a button that's green and says go. In the space of 2 feet, you're seeing a blank and you're seeing vivid life, vivid color. So this digital myth is busted.